Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to backup Tonkeeper wallet recovery fees. So in order to backup Tonkeeper wallet recovery fees, you just have to follow these simple steps. Now first of all, you have to go and open up your Tonkeeper application and log into your account. When you're logged into your Tonkeeper account, that's gonna take you to the home page, which will look something like this. Now right on this page, click on the gear icon located in the top right hand side corner, and here you should be able to see backup. Press that, and here go ahead and press on backup manually and click the continue button after reading all of that steps. Now you need to enter a passcode. When you're done entering your passcode, then you could go ahead and recover, or you can take a picture of your recovery fees, or you can just note it down, and when you've actually taken the picture, click on check backup. Now you need to go ahead and enter the prompt that was shown earlier. Type in the exact word that was on this following number and press the done button. With this, you've successfully backed up Tonkeeper wallet recovery fees. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.